Hello YouTube, welcome back to my channel. As you can see, it's a nice foggy day in Essex. I'm fishing my club water today, and basically I'm fishing about 15 yards out on a really hard spot that I found a few weeks back. I have seen fish show here before, well, I think it was like last week and the week before, but most of the activity has been on the far right. But unfortunately, two other anglers had already set up and I wanted to fish in the right hand corner today. After speaking with the angler, he's basically fishing the margin that I was going to fish, so that's just basically a no-go, and I've had to move a little bit further down to fish his other swim. I didn't see anything at first, but I had a few liners when I've been sitting there, and yeah, I just got a chance to sit back and have my first cup of tea and eat my packet of hobnobs. Hey guys, been sitting here all day, no fish. Got to pack up in about an hour. Hopefully in the next hour I might be able to show you something. Right, so basically that's the end of the session. Yeah, I haven't caught anything, so you haven't seen any pictures of any fish, but yeah man, the fish were there, but I just don't know, like, I couldn't get to the point where I wanted to get to because two other anglers were casting to the showing fish and they ended up catching two fish. But yeah, I keep having a problem as well with my multi-rig. Every time I cast long distance it tangles, and it doesn't matter if I stop it or clip it, it tangles and casts every single time. So obviously I'm doing something wrong with multi-rig, but I might give it another go next week. Next week's actually Christmas, so I might get out during the week if I can. I might have to go back to the just a normal pop-up rig or something, or just a stiff hinge rig. But yeah, I don't know. But yeah, I'm going to drive home now. Everything's packed away, and yeah, I should be home in about 25 minutes. So, see you later, guys.